It is my pleasant duty now to extend my thanks to the very, very learned speakers on the dais. As Dr. Dave has viewed this conference on the spiritual paradigm for surmounting global management crisis is an unusual sort of conference, and I would like to rather say, if it is not unusual, it is at least non-ordinary sort of discourse on this global management crisis and an exploration into the spiritual paradigm for surmounting this sort of challenge. I agree with the chief guest when he goes deeper into the genesis of the management crisis of today, and he has very candidly pointed out the different dimensions of the crisis. Maybe, as pointed out by Professor Singh, that it's a question of the shifting focus on the present economic situation. It may be another context for America, USA, and Europe. For them, it is a deepening economic crisis, and therefore the meaning is not the same for China and India, which may be shifting of the focus. Therefore, we need give more and more attention on understanding the complexity of the situation that is the management crisis. And then it is not a question of just somehow simplifying the matter. It's a deeper question, and therefore, in a very deeper sense, we shall be approaching the entire discourse in all the 3 days' time. Since this unusual or non-ordinary conference is taking place, Henry Ney and Tisdale, who has given illuminating talk on the subject, our other participants, Professor M.J. Xavier from Ranchi, Professor Singh and Professor B.P. Singh, and other such participants. I will be failing in my duties if I am not referring to a mind that gave this idea, and he is Shri S.K. Singh, one of the founders of MS. For the last 3 years or so, this idea was lingering in his mind, and it has been now concretized thanks to the efforts of Professor Jha and our colleague Dr. Sandeep Singh. Friends, any conference needs the participation of the experts, learned scholars, and very free and frank discussions. I extend my thanks to all the experts coming from the different parts of the world, and especially from USA. For this entire exercise is taking place in collaboration with 2 universities from USA along with the SMS. And I therefore extend my thanks to the chairman, president of the California State University and Claflin University, USA. I also extend my thanks to all the participants, invited guests, the scholars from Varanasi,